guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am reviewing the Urban Decay Naked Palette, and this is what it looks like. Well, that's what the packaging looks like. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Let's put that somewhere. So I love how this is minimal and it's not doing too much. It's not elaborate. It's just a palette and the primer potion. Now, if this is not the first time that you've watched my video, you will know that the Urban Decay primer potion is my favorite eyeshadow primer. My lids are really oily, so that's my go-to. I'm not going to use that one right now because I already have 3 extra ones. And then I have my caffeine one, which is the one if this focuses. This is the one I'm gonna use today. I just don't like having too many things that I'm using open all at once. So I'm gonna dip into the other ones until like when I'm done with caffeine. And I like the fact that caffeine is kind of like, it goes with this. This is what that looks like. And it comes with their brush like all their palettes do. I like their brushes. Their brushes is like really good. Anastasia and Urban Decay I think makes my favorite brush palette. So a brush that comes with a palette. And because I'm reviewing this palette, I just want to let you guys know, side note, I don't know if I mentioned it already. This was sent to me by Urban Decay, so shout out to them. I did not buy this. This was sent to me as a gift. But what I was gonna say is majority of the things that I will be using, except from like foundation and like concealer. Actually, no, I'm gonna use a concealer. Most of the things I'll be using today is from Urban Decay because why not? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my reviews, if you like my channel, if you like my videos. I feel like I have to remember to say that because I always forget to say it. So there we are. I always forget to say that. And then when I'm watching my videos back, I'm like, I never said that. Anywho, I am going to, let me open this so you guys can see. I feel like I just rambled. And this is what that looks like. Let me open it. Ooh. So, the brush fell. I mean, I'm not gonna use this is so cute, it's so pretty. I'm not gonna use the brush right now because I have to wash it before I use it. So I'm gonna just use my regular brushes. But I want you guys to see, it's so pretty. Look. So I like that a lot of these are like warm colors, amber colors. They're like light neutral fall colors too. I like that. Recycle. So let us get started, and I will swatch all of these things for you guys on my hand so you can see. And I'm going in with the color Caffeine. Okay, so I like this. I feel like if you are like I said earlier, a neutral girl, like everyday neutral girl, I think this is going to be a really nice palette for you, or whoever wears makeup. This is going to be a nice palette for you. And then when you want to glam it up, I feel like you can do that also. So I don't want to I keep applying it because they just apply really well, but I don't want to overdo it by applying too many colors. And it just blends really well. I think maybe I want to add more honey up here. So as you can see, I've already applied mascara. I didn't apply any eyeliner because I just didn't want to. But I like how, even though I have hooded lids with my eyes open, you can still see color peek through. I didn't take it all the way up here like I usually do. I just wanted to do something different. I will say I did have a little bit of, like just specks of like a little fallout here, but stuff like that doesn't, honestly, it doesn't bother me as long as it's not like I dipped my brush in there and some crazy stuff happened. But I think it is fine. I like how, like, it's just bright. I didn't do too much. I used 5 colors. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I used 5 colors on my eyes, and I like that you can't tell. Like I said, this is very neutral person friendly. This is a nice warm golden palette, so I really like it. I'm going to use the color Sting that I used in here to smoke out my lower lash line once I'm done with my foundation, so you guys can see. But so far so good. I like it. Are these colors that you can't find in any other palette? No. But it's put together well. It's nice. It's not like I said, it's not like revolutionary. But I really do like this palette so far. Now I'm going back in with Perversion, right? And Urban Decay pencils, as far as I know, they're really nice and creamy. And I'm gonna go in with the color Sting to smoke that out. Okay guys, this is the finished look. And I hope if you were thinking about getting the palette, this first impressions helped. I feel like reviewing stuff nowadays, you have to like actually wear it for a really long time to see how it wears. I know every eyeshadow that I wear when I use my primer potion, it just never budges until I take it off. Like, so I know this is gonna last. Like I said, y'all know I be honest about everything. Like, this is a nice palette. Leave me a comment below when you are watching reviews or first impressions of things. Give me key points that you would like to know, because I feel like a lot of people just want to see, you know, what it looks like. Most of the time people already know like what it costs and stuff like that, but I do like this palette. Like I said, it's not a palette where these colors are not in other palettes, but I like it. It's about, for me, it's about quality, and I know for a fact that Urban Decay has really good eyeshadows. I have a couple of their single shadows, so I'm excited. And I will catch you guys in the next one.